Hi, Brad from Silver Lining Daydreams. Today we're going to show you how we flush and rinse our RV water heater tank. We're going to use this Camco water heater tank rinser. This will clean out and remove sediment, mostly calcium, and also extend our RV water heater's life. I think we'll turn on the water pump so we can empty and drain everything in the camper here. Turn on the faucets. I'm not worried about flushing anything. I just want all the water I can get out. We're in the bunkhouse here, so I'm going to lift up this bottom bunk here and get this up. There's our water heater. Make sure that you turn off the gas, power, and water to your RV's water heater. And make sure your hot water has had time to cool down. Some people will flush once a year prior to winterizing. People that are more full-time probably want to do this about every 6 months. If you're finding value in our videos, please consider subscribing and also giving us a like. Need a 15/16, and I don't have one. This is a 25mm, and I think it used to work, but it's rounding the edges. So let's try a crescent wrench. So we're going to drain the water heater now. This happens to be a 6-gallon Atwood water heater. Step back and bleed the pressure off your water heater by opening the water relief pressure valve. You'll see a little later on in this video that I forgot to do this. Yeah, I can really smell the rotten eggs, so I think it was from inside the water heater. So we'll clean all that out and we'll try to get rid of the smell. We'll flush that out once we empty it out. This basically just threads on and off. So I'm basically going to put it in with a spout going down. And then in all the way. Yeah, I smell the rotten eggs. Let's try it again. I don't think there's that much grime in there. There we go. Should be like that. Well, this isn't the greatest job, but it should work. I can angle it enough on there to turn it. I'm going to try a channel lock here.
I'll have to find a store that's open. And here we go. Just need to get it a little tighter. There we go. Alright, I think we can get it tight enough.
Make sure that you don't turn your water heater back on until you've filled the water heater with water and that you've also purged air from the RV water lines. One way to tell whether or not your water heater is full of water is to open up the little pop-up valve and water should come out.
Perfect.
Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.